My Profile there, it says Professional Profiles, and then it says Add a new item to this category.
Okay, click it.
Click on that and it should pop open a window.
Okay.
Now, any registered user can do this. All they have to do is create an account. They'll receive an email from the system. The system will ask them to authenticate the account by clicking a link, unless of course they've used Google Connect, in which it authenticates itself automatically. Once they've done that, they can actually log in and they can create a profile. Now, once the profile is created, it actually sits in the back end awaiting approval, because we don't want people putting spammy links in and things like that.
Okay.
But once it's gone through approval, which literally is moments, it goes live. So the first thing we need to do is put in a title. Now, the title will actually form the page title at the top of the browser. You'll see there where it says Professional Profiles at the top.
Okay.
So whatever title you want to be known by,
So
you put
just
that in there.
okay. So if I want to be known by my name, just put my name on the title.
Yep. And the great thing is, because you are the owner of this, once it's approved, you can then come back and edit it.
Okay.
And you don't need to put anything into the title alias unless you want to force the system to use a specific alias, but it's generated automatically.
I don't even know what that means.
It's the URL at the top. If you have a look at the URL at the top, it says skillsexchangenetwork.net/blog/.
It means if I want it to say something else other than my name.
Yeah. So you'll, for example, we're in the professional profiles area, and the alias is professional-profiles. And the reason for that is because the system automatically generates a hyphen between words, because Google sees a hyphen between words as a space. So when it's,
should I have a space between my name there or not?
That's fine with the way you've put it, Vicky Space Conley. That's perfectly fine.
Fine. Okay.
Yeah. And on the category, you'll see that you can post into a couple of categories there. You can post into the Skills Exchange blog, which is somewhere where we just put information and documents for people to review, and then the professional profiles, which is what we're working with this evening. So if you can
so you could create different different like event announcements or anything through here.
Very easily. And what you could do, I know the facilities there within Google Plus, for example, but if you wanted to use the blog to announce something, you'll see over on the right hand side it says Finish Publishing.
Yep, right there.
What you can do is actually create an article about an event or something that you're doing, a product or service, a special offer even, and let's say, for example, that offer was available until the end of August. Stop publishing at the end of August. So the article would still be there, and you would still be able to view it and edit it, but after the 31st of August, that's it. It'd be gone.
Huh. Cool.
Oh, there's some other features we'll get to in a moment.
And
You'll
you can
see
decide
there.
if it's available to public or offline subscribers are registered. Cool.
Oh, special is just me and a couple of other people, back-end administrators. We need it to be public. I think we might need to change that. Okay, so just on the category, select professional profiles, because we're going to post into there.
Okay. And then tag.
Tags, you can put any tags in here you choose. You could tag it with, let's say, for example, you were an SEO specialist. You could put SEO.
Mobile marketing is my main business. So,
fantastic. Then put mobile marketing.
Right.
And then hit return.
Mobile marketing.
It converts it to a tag automatically.
And then I'm teaching a Hangout Basics course. So Hangout Trainer. Could I put Hangout Trainer?
Yep, Hangout Training, Hangout Trainer, anything like that. Google Hangouts might be a good one because that gets a lot of searches.
Trainer. Should I add Google Hangout? Or just do two separate ones? Should I do Google Hangout
If it was me, I would do separate ones, because later, as
Okay.
the profiles area becomes filled up and there are a lot of profiles in there, what we can do is provide a dynamic menu at the top that automatically sorts the articles by the tag. So if, let's say, 20 people have SEO specialist as their tag, that would appear at the top because there are more SEO specialists. If somebody wants to search, they will be able to search on the tag. And we've also tested this externally through Google. Google does index not just the content and the title, but the tags as well. So the tags are quite important.
Okay. Okay, so that's I've added quite a few there, so that's probably good.
Cool. You can come back and edit those anytime you like.
Okay.
So now we need the content. So if you click in the white area just underneath the menu bar there and put your content in.
There we go. I think I got it fixed.
Yeah, I think in effect there we have the start of a document. Just scroll up to the top for me, please.
Okay.
And above the paragraph that starts connect with Vicky, put an extra space, please. Oh, an extra line, I'm sorry.
An extra line.
Yep, hit carries return there. Right, go up one, and you'll see at the bottom,
Oh.
you see a button that says read more.
Yep.
Click that.
Okay.
Right. What that basically does is puts a line into the document as you see it, but on the website it actually displays the first 2 or 3 paragraphs and then a read more button. So if we decide to categorize this document later, everybody will get the first 2 or 3 paragraphs, and then if they want to read more, they just click read more and they'll be able to open up the full document. That's the content created. One of the other things that you can do as standard is add an image. So if you click the image tab,
right up here. Okay.
And you'll see there's a button there that says choose file. Yep. On my system that I'm looking at, it says browse. And then you just pick a picture and put that up there.
Okay.
Don't need to do anything else.
Oh,
That's it.
Okay.
That's done. Next, you'll see the tab that says media.
I better get that date out of there to finish publishing.
Yeah.
We don't want that to happen.
Don't worry, I was going to check that before we published.
Yeah.
And you'll see a tab that says media.
Okay, where is that? Do I need to save this here?
I would, because we've had the session open for about 5 minutes, 10 minutes now.
Okay, okay. Does it tell me when? Oh, there it does. It does.
Yeah.
Okay, it's done.
Yeah, it'll tell you that the item's saved but requires authorization.
So media?
Yep.
Oh, media, okay.
That's right. And on the media tab, you'll see sub-tabs. One of them says use online video service.
Okay.
Click that for me.
Okay.
And then underneath select video provider, select YouTube.
Alrighty.
Now what you can do there, you don't put the YouTube video URL in, you just put the ID of the video.
Okay.
So if you wanted to put a promotional video up here, you could put that there and it appears at the bottom.
Okay, yeah, I do want to do that. I just haven't made one yet.
Not a problem, we can come back and we can edit the document.
Okay, I wasn't sure what to say in one yet. So maybe after we do our overview next week and I know more about it, I will do a video then.
No problem. The only other thing here with regards to the content, and it's actually quite important, is the extra fields tab.
The extra fields tab. Oh, right here. Got it.
You'll see there it says written by Michael Nason, and it has a link to my G+ profile.
Okay, so I'm gonna put my name in here. So if people don't do this, then you get authorship for their profile, right?
Automatically.
Yeah, that's good. So it's good that people are watching this video, hopefully, and they'll know to change that.
So just paste in type in your
Type my name. and go to the About page and have it open in a new window.
Mm-hmm.
And I think that looks like that's it, right?
Right. Not just yet. Click Save.
Okay. Click Save. Got it.
Yep. You actually have, even though you don't have control over the design of the website, you have control over the optimization, because you can control the title of the page by changing the title of the document. You can even change the URL by changing the title alias. You can change the content, of course, and that of course is indexed by Google. You can change the extra fields, so you can change the Google authorship, and you can put yourself as the Google author. But one other element of control that we haven't covered is the metadata. So if you click on the tab at the right hand side that says author publishing status,
Okay.
you'll see another tab comes up.
Okay.
Here you can put the metadata in. So you can, for example, put in a description that will appear in the Google search results.
Okay. So like, what do I want to say?
That's entirely up to you. Sometimes what I do is actually just copy the
That's
first
what I was going to say.
20, 30 words out of the first paragraph.
Okay. So, or maybe I could copy like my business goal or so,
Yeah.
or would it be better to copy it with my name, since my name's in the title?
I would make sure that the description and the keywords both contain your name, because your name is in the title of the document. If the document, for example, was called SEO specialist,
Okay.
then I personally would make sure that SEO specialist was in the tags, description, and keywords. And I would also make sure that it was in the description and the keywords as early as possible, not right at the end.
Okay, I may want to redo that first paragraph then too, just so I can get more keywords in there. It's mainly just an introduction of me, is what it was. It was for a presentation that I was doing. So
that's fine.
Yeah, so I may want to redo that one with keywords, because this one really isn't set up to be an online bio, I don't think.
Well, you can edit the document at any time. Once the document is once the document is created and saved, I, as the administrator or another administrator, can go into the back end, check the document. Just all we do is check to see that there aren't lots of links in there, and then publish it. The second that document is published, you have complete control. You can open it, edit it, save it, and it's still published.
Okay. Cool.
Yep.
But no links, right? You can't put links in the document?
We're not going to say a categorical no, but the way that Google is going with the Penguin update and the Panda update, we do not want the Skills Exchange Network to be perceived by Google as a link farm, which is what that would be. Also, there's actually 2 or 3 good videos out there by Matt Cutts himself talking about what he refers to as advertorials, which is a document within a blog, for example this, with links to external websites. And Google do not know if we've paid you to write this. So they would assume, because of the quantity of links within the document, that it's actually an advertorial for another website, and they would actually they probably wouldn't index the website as well as we would like them to. So we try to keep links to a minimum. We're going to develop other areas for things like that. If people want a business directory, we can very easily develop one. It's not a problem.
Yeah, but no, so you don't want it on your professional profile, though.
Nope.
Okay.
I don't think there's any problem with having, contact me through Google. My profile is below, and obviously you're going to get the Google juice, for want of a better phrase, for having the Google authorship.
Okay.
Now that's the document done. As far as we're concerned, at a technical level, it has the content in, it has an image, it has media, or it will have media, it'll have a video, the authorship is there, the keywords can go in later, the description can be edited, and the document can be edited later.
What about robot? I know what keywords are, but what about robots and author? What is that?
Author, you don't need to complete, because that will automatically pick up your Google authorship.
Okay.
Robots is an instruction to Google not to follow this document. You put some code in there that stops Google indexing the document.
Okay, so if you don't want to be found, you could
Yes.
disable it through this. Okay.
It
Okay.
kind of defeats the purpose of having a
Right,
professional
exactly.
profile on an open network, but it's possible.
Exactly.
You can do it.
Okay.
Right. What you need to do now is go up to the top,
Okay, save.
click Save. Yep. And I'm actually logged into the back end now.
And there it is.
hmm I like that.
Thank you. And then read more. And so that brings it up with my paragraphs and everything. Because I noticed I didn't have paragraphs on, and you didn't either on your on the
Nope.
first one. Oh, that looks nice.
What it does is it tries to compact all the text into the when we're looking at the overview, so that you can get more articles into a page.
And so this is just like a blog post page then, and then this is
In
the
effect.
URL to refer
hmm
people to.
Yep.
Cool.
And you'll
Great.
notice at the bottom, if you scroll down to the bottom of your article, it says additional info
Written
written
by.
by, and it goes straight to your
Oh,
Google profile.
oh, nice. Okay, so that's what authorship is. Cool.
Yep.
Cool.
You now have complete control over that document. You can edit it, you can change the image. Later, you can go along and put a video in there if you want to. Um, I'll put a link in there to the affiliate ID so that people can sign up using your profile directly.
Also on Skills Exchange Network. So is this links? Oh, this is the link, a link to our event that's coming up.
Yes.
So we can promote upcoming events,
hmm
or so we know that upcoming events are going to be promoted on our profile page.
Yep.
Cool.
The whole point really is to have user-generated content. And to get user-generated content, the easiest way of doing it is to allow people to do it for free. And if
Mm-hmm.
somebody can come along and promote themselves, promote their services, their business for free, the idea is that they're going to do it. And it generates more content for the website, which in turn generates more traffic for the website, which in turn generates more interest.
Right. Cool.